It's no news that the bout between the Tesla pioneer and Facebook's founder has brought about a series of controversies, among which is Threads. Threads is the newest invention of Meta, an application that is set to compete with Musk's Twitter. It was launched on the 5th of July 2023 and had over 10 million users just in days of its launch. Today we'll be reviewing Threads, Zuckerberg's latest creation. We'll be checking its current capabilities and future potential for improvements. Let's get started. First, you download the app from Google's Play Store or Apple's App Store. Launch the Threads application and log in with your Instagram account. Threads is a part of the Instagram platform, so you'll need an Instagram account to use it. Input your Instagram details and log in. Next, you'll be required to set up your account. You can manually set up the account or import settings from Instagram. Since Meta used Instagram as a base for Threads, they have made it possible to sync users' followings from Instagram. Do you know that if you block an account on Threads, you'll also be blocking the account on Instagram? Well, now you know. Threads is powered by Instagram, and its future versions is proposed to work with Fediverse, a new social media network that will allow people to follow and interact with each other on different platforms like Mastodon. Threads will be able to communicate with other servers in the Fediverse by using the ActivityPub protocol, a technology through which social networks can be made interoperable. This is what the home page of the app looks like. It has a very beautiful and easy to navigate interface. On Threads, you can like, comment, repost and quote a post just like you'll do in Twitter. You can also add any post to your story Instagram feed and stories directly. There's also provision for making tweets directly from the app's feed. Let's head to our Threads profile. Threads provide a lot of privacy options to us, and the options are so easy to navigate. From switching between private and public accounts to deciding who mention you in a post, also muting accounts that you no longer want to receive notification from, and protecting yourself from abusive language, Threads has you covered. On Threads, it is very easy to access whom you're following, who is following you, and also see pending connection requests. Using the bell button, you can pause all notifications from the app for a given time interval or pause specific kinds of notification. Using the small microscope button down here, we can search for any threader by their username. Type Appsolute Hub in the search bar and endeavor to follow us on Thread. Also, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel as we will continue to bring you more amazing content. Overall, I think Threads looks promising and you should try it out. Until next time, keep threading.